Do you want your website to rank higher on Google? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 steps you have to take for your website to rank higher on Google. So let's just dive into the video. First thing that's going to also have the biggest impact on your website's ranking is your content. The content on your website really has to be of high quality, and it really has to answer the questions your users are having. Second thing, how to optimize your on-page SEO and how to get more clicks are title tags on your website. You have to make sure you're using keywords in your title tags, and you have to make sure that your title tags are actually aligned with the content on your website. So when user sees your title tag and it sees your banner in search engine, they have to know what's going to be on that website. They have to know what kind of content they can expect and if that content actually can help them out. Why that's very important? First, very important is to attract the right visitors and to attract the right clients. Second thing is, good title tag can improve your click-through rate or CTR. And you have to make sure that your title tag or the title of your website is going to be really aligned with the content on your website. So you have to make sure that what a visitor expects from your website, you actually deliver. Third thing you have to have in mind when optimizing your website for more clicks are meta descriptions. Yes, meta descriptions aren't directly aligned with SEO and they don't have like a huge effect on the SEO itself, but they have a very big impact on your click-through rate, which means they have a very huge impact how many clicks you actually get. So make sure you include your keywords on your meta text and make sure that your meta text is shorter than 160 characters. So you really have to work on your meta description so you're gonna get more clicks to your website and that clients or visitors are gonna see your website as more relevant to their search and to them. The fourth thing you can do to optimize your website and to get more clicks is to write better and more human-friendly and SEO-friendly URLs. So how to do that? Your website should have user-friendly or let's say human-friendly URLs. What I mean by that, let's say for example, your website should have a URL such as your domain name / how to create a website, for example. That's an example of a good URL. The bad URL would be your domain name / post equals ID number 1312. That's an example of a bad URL. Because users with that kind of URL, they don't actually have information what is on that website. So make sure to always use human-friendly URLs, which are also better for SEO and better for search engines. If you're using CMS systems such as WordPress, there are a ton of plugins that can help you with generating better and more friendly SEO URLs. One of those plugins that I always recommend is Yoast SEO. You just have to download it. They also have a free version of it, and you just download it, activate it, and it's going to make sure that your URLs are going to be more friendly to the SEO, to the web browsers, and to your visitors. That brings me to the fifth and final step you have to take to optimize your website, and that is image optimization. You have to optimize your images because images are often one of the biggest and the heaviest parts of any website. So how to optimize your images? First is you always have to, before uploading, rename your image. Set a custom name that includes your keywords. Second, always make sure that you're uploading the image of the correct size. Third is use the correct image format. Don't use PNGs or JPEGs. Instead, use WebP format, which is created for web images. What are the benefits of using WebP instead of other formats? Is the image is going to be much smaller, which means your website is going to load much faster if you're going to use smaller images. If you want to learn how to optimize images, I have a separate video where I show you step by step how to optimize images before uploading them on your website. These were 5 steps how to optimize your website and how to get more clicks on your website. If you're interested in more content like this, and if you want to learn how to grow your small business and how to sell more with your website, just check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.